Yeah, baby. It's like fishing. What's up, everybody? Ryan here, coming at you from Massillon, Ohio. We've got this Trane unit that had a major blower malfunction. It's still under warranty, so we're gonna be pulling out the entire blower and replacing it. Oh yeah, I'd say that's a major blower malfunction. Looks like the entire bearing blew out. So we're getting this whole thing. Let me start ripping it out. All right, I got the whole back panel taken off, and look at that. Very nice. Not sure what happened here, but the entire bracket broke apart, and it's no good. All right, I got the entire lid off, and I'm looking down in the supply duct. We've got veins down there, broke apart. That's where this nice filter tool I've got comes in handy. Not only is it a filter tool, but it's got a magnet on the end. If you guys don't have one of these, I picked it up at United Refrigeration in Youngstown, Ohio. I'm sure they all have them. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is get this motor disconnected and pulled out of the way. They got a power block here, so all I gotta do is pull the wires off, and we can pull that right on out. We'll pull this whole assembly out. All right, I couldn't get the motor out because this nut, it's like this. It's pressed into the plate. It's just spinning. But I got all the screws out, and it looks like this thing's gonna come out relatively easy. Looks like we're gonna hit a couple of screws here, but oh man, this thing's coming right out. Gotta love that. Yeah, let me get those screws out of there. I'm gonna see if I can pull this thing out by myself. I got Mikey G coming, and we're gonna get the new one put in, but it shouldn't take too long. And there you have it, slid right out. So I'm gonna tip this thing over on its side so I get this motor taken off. And there he is, Mikey G. Morning, Mike. All right, we're putting the protective cushioning back on so we don't mess up the evaporator coil, and I'm getting this blower pulley taken off. We've already got the idler pulley installed on it. We're just pulling off this fixed pulley now. Too early to be sweating this swim. All right, we got all the pulleys back in place, all aligned, belt's good and tight. All right, we're gonna check the rotation on this blower motor, make sure we're good to go. Oh yeah, that's much better. So we got the blower back in place, everything's tight. We're gonna make sure this unit runs in AC and operates properly. And then we're gonna clean up and move on to our next calls because it is about 95 degrees out here today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is running, it is cooling properly. And also wear gloves because as you can see, I've got a sliced up finger now with the gauze and the electrical tape. So anyway, 95 degree day, Massillon, Ohio, Trane fail. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Hit that bell notification, that way you'll get notified anytime I upload a new video. Hit subscribe, share, and I'll see you on the next one.